Good evening, people. I have got very important tutorial how to cut audio clip in free open source video editor because I have to fix one of the videos when I have tutorial, but I'm not happy with tutorial. Good evening, people. I have solution is time. For example, there was one person who interrupted me, and you wonder how I'm going to get rid of one of the voices. For example, someone was interrupting me, but don't worry, you can still cut audio clip. What I did, by right mouse button, you add remove guide marker, and after that you have to select clip. You have to select audio clip. I think as far I know, I probably have to go to timeline, current clip, cut clip. I think you probably have to move this and this. And now you can select, you can, I think I have to make sure. I think you should be okay because I just have to. Only one thing which I don't like. I think you cannot really separate clip from audio, but someone interrupted me. Hey, the Krita, new version of Krita. Wait a minute. Don't worry if you get rid of this, because this window stays the same. But you have to make sure you move this. But you can still divide the clip, depending where marker goes. Add remove guide. Category 8. Timeline. Wait, where did I go? No, clip. Oh, wait a minute. Current clip. At the beginning it can be confusing, but you can see, but you can still move a slider first and second clip. Make sure you see a red line. You can still move that clip and that clip because you have separate clips. I hope you like my video tutorial, and I highly recommend Kdenlive application Kdenlive. I don't know how do they pronounce in English. This is open source video editor. I rendered one of the projects. I rendered this video tutorial. It only has 31 megabytes. Good evening, people. I still have to study how to properly render final project, but I highly recommend that application to you. See you guys.